So sneezing is our body's way of protecting our respiratory tract. So in healthy individuals, we sneeze to remove common irritants such as dust or pollen that can stimulate the nasal passages. And then in sick individuals, we sneeze to expel pathogens that can be viruses or bacteria to prevent further spreading. Sneezing begins when there's some type of irritant that can stimulate the nerve in the nose. This sends a signal to the brain, and that triggers your sneeze reflex or your sternutation reflex. This causes the muscles to contract together in the diaphragm, the chest, and the throat, followed by a forceful output of air through the nose and the mouth, carrying those irritants or those pathogens with it.